relationship between UNGU and AMISOM has only grown to strength and better, and we feel more secure and better organized in the way we manage our own security here, which reflects even our own way of doing securing the foreground that we're now building sector hubs and working as one family, building for Somalia and building for Africa and building for the future.
We have Captain Aban Yaab, United Nations, receiving his medal. Charles Onaba, the logistics officer.
So for each one of you, congratulations. You have a well-deserved medal today. And even as you go back home, remember to your families and to your country that sent you here that you've done us proud. You've done Uganda proud. You've done Africa proud.
Praise of United Nations, Mr. Marcus, you're welcome. And also allow me in a special way
what you are doing is really important. You are a very important part of a bigger effort to help Somalia find its feet, to find peace and security.
I am convinced, unless to the contrary, that UNGU too has performed exceptionally well.
Major Sam Kazere.